Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to optimize Wix websites for mobiles in 2024. So with more people browsing on their phone, it's very crucial that your website looks great and functions smoothly on all screen sizes, especially mobile, because a lot of people browse through it. So let's dive into how you can ensure your Wix site is mobile friendly. So make sure to stick by and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and open a browser. For me here, I'm using Brave for you. You can use this wherever you want. Once you open it, go to basically this URL section. Once you go here, basically you'll have to type wix.com, hit the enter button. Of course, if it's your first time, basically you'll be taken to a page like this. Here you can click on login to log in into your account if you have an account. And if you don't have an account, of course, you can click on sign up to get started. As you can see, for creating an account, use Google and Facebook. And here you can even use Apple if you don't want to get through all the boring steps of creating or even logging in into your account. Once you do so, you'll find yourself here in the home screen, main screen. So first of all, you have two options to edit first of all a site. You have either the like Wix editor or you have the Wix Studio. It's actually up to you. You can even, as an example, create fully functional websites using just AI in Wix. It's actually a thing in here. Of course, I've already made a video about it. I'm not going to do it again right now. You can go and check this channel for it if you want to see how to create a full video using AI. So here's an example. I'll open two things. I'll open this one using Wix Editor, and I'll open this using because here I use Wix Editor and here I'm using Wix Studio. As you can see in the URL or in the tab here, Wix Website Editor and this Wix Studio. So it's the same site created in the same website, which is Wix, but one I'm using Wix Editor and once I'm using the other one I'm using like Wix Studio. So here I'll face first of all wait for those like until it loads. As an example, this loaded first. So let's start with that. So first of all, how to optimize Wix websites for mobile. Of course, like first of all, once you create like a website using Wix, normally, especially if you choose a template, not if you create it like blank by your own. If you start from blank and design it by your own, it might look a little bit off on mobile. But if you choose one of the templates provided on Wix Marketplace, if you buy one, or just choose one of the free one on their Wix Studio or Wix like Marketplace Studio, you will find normally it will be good and optimized for mobile as well. So if you go here to mobile and see the mobile view, you will see that it's looking good in there as well. But if you start from blank, you will find it might like it's not like 100% because Wix also automatically adjusts your website once you edit it for the desktop view. It's automatically adjusted for the mobile view. But it's very crucial and important to keep your eye on all those stuff and see if everything is working as intended. Of course, make sure to just click on preview on the mobile phone or mobile view and simply, so let's just wait for the preview as example, and here you'll see how does it look on mobile. So if something is looking off or something like that, you'll be able to edit it as simple as that. So go through everything and make sure to edit whatever is looking bad as example. So here I'll just go and click on back to editor because I would like to show you how to edit, of course, for mobile or how to optimize basically for mobile. So basically, everything that is not looking right, everything like if this text as example, so if you click on preview, again, let me just go and click on preview again. So an example, this text might look too much for mobile users. If you're on desktop, it might look like normal. It might look, even if it's a longer text, but we have a longer image. As you can see, it's even looking on the, or it's in the back. But if we are on the mobile, it will look a little bit off, like a big text with some donation in the bottom. So it seems like this is normal, everything is normal, but this text is kind of too much. So click on back in editor as example and make sure to optimize it for that. So like change the font as example, or maybe lower the font size example, so make it lower, so it's gonna be oh, okay, not that much, this is too much, like let's just do here 19 or something like that. Okay, what about 20? This looks good, of course. What about 20? Of course, you can even change the color a little bit example, so it can make it readable. Yeah, okay, like the white, it seems like the best one is white. Yeah, so it will not affect like the background. Of course, you can check just background just for mobile if you want to. You can even enable some vertical text as an example if you want to, but it's not look good. Normally, the alignment, this alignment is the best but it's actually up to you. So example here, I'll even like make it 18 or something like that, and of course I'll put it like at the top a little bit. Of course this connects and play, I'll put it up a little bit here, and I'll put, yeah, so this is look better as an example for me specifically. So here if I click on preview, let's see how does it look like as an example. And yeah, for me it's already looking much better because the text was so big and I was not going to I wouldn't like to read it all. It's even looks smaller now. People would like to read it, I guess, right now. So this is basically for Wix editor. For the Wix Studio, it's going to be basically the same. You can simply click on this mobile and here you'll be able to do the same. Edit whatever looking off, double check every single page. Just click on preview and make sure to double check everything. Double check all the pages, double check everything. And yeah, if something is looking off, you can simply just go back and click on edit site and click on it and edit whatever seems off about it. Other than that, of course, you'd like to optimize even some images and media. Large like images or videos, as an example, can slow down your site on mobile devices. So in mobile view, you can click on whatever image you want, of course, and make sure to resize them, maybe make them smaller, adjust their placement, ensure that media element don't overlap or push content off screen, and compress even images if necessary to improve the loading time. There's a lot of online tools that can make you that. So as an example, I'll just go to a new tab and type like compress, or not even type compress correctly. So compress is example without, so compress like images and videos together without like affecting, so without affecting quality. So quality online for free. I'll just type that in Google and see an example. So we have this one, seems good. Of course, you can try it out by your own. I don't know which one could work for you, but you can simply, as we said, try them all. As an example, this one you can use it for online, but if you download it, as an example, maybe they have a free plan. Yeah, as you can see, they have a free plan. So maybe you can just go and download it. It will be probably better to download it and you simply use it and it will compress everything for you. Of course, you can even try to test buttons and links, hide elements if necessary, and then if everything is look as intended once you preview it, all you need to do just publish it, and that's how you optimize it for mobile view. So that's going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. So goodbye.